Good evening, everyone. I'm gonna bring you a video here of MAXR pretty much. I don't know if you've been following me for a couple of days or not, but this is one of the stocks that I was keeping on my watch list for a couple of days. If you see a couple of levels here that I was watching, obviously these are a high of days, and I made a video the other day of this little pockets in between everything here, high at this candle for resistance right here. I was just making my run through a couple of names to see what was going on in the market, what was active, what was not active. And this name, I took it out a couple of days ago because I really thought that it was not really going to run in the way that I wanted. If you see here, this is a dark cloud cover here, these two candles. And I actually thought that, it was really not going to work out. So when I saw that happen, this dark cloud cover right here, was like, okay, this is done. I'm not even gonna bother. So I took it out the watch list. Although the confirmation here was with a doji pretty much, and so I was like, I'm not sure, but still took it out of the watch list. I didn't keep on watching. A couple of days been past that, and now we found ourselves in this situation. Now this blue trend line here was the higher day for this particular candle here back last week. Now if we bring a 5-minute time frame here, you're gonna notice they had a pretty nice run up this afternoon. It was a pretty special stock that I was watching. I really thought it was gonna work out. Still had a little bit of action after hours, but the run up, this surge, it was actually pretty good. I'm gonna bring a 2-minute time frame here just so we can have a grasp on the short the 2-minute time frame here. So you notice here these candles were pretty nice, a small flat micro pullback here at the 2, and then from there you got a nice pop all the way to a 60, pullback, flag, pullback, and found a little bit of support when we had the resistance at 720. From there, you can see a nice pop on the 2-minute. This candle here took a huge amount of volume to print, but from there pullback. I wanted to show you something. This is very interesting on the 2, and then I'm going to jump to the 5 to finish the video. This candlestick right here, the red candle at this 2-minute time frame here, if you notice here, this is an inverted hammer. When you see this type of hammers, you gotta watch for the trends. Obviously, after you see this nice little trend here, stepper, and this right here, then this signifies that the trend might actually pull. So you notice here we had this candle with a long wick here, and at the 2, this is at the 2-minute. So if we jump to the 5 real quick, you're gonna notice the same thing here. We had a hammer and then the pullback. So when you see this type of candles after this trend nice stepper, all green candles here, then watch out for the trends, because you might have a pullback, a little retracement, or you might end up having a bull flag with huge candles or whatever can happen. But you see this trends here, it's good, after you see this type of candlestick, that you at least lock up some gains, so that way you don't give the majority of your gains while you're still waiting for this to pull up. So always to take something out and then maybe let the rest run, or whatever makes you feel more comfortable. But I just wanted to bring you this particular example here, and bring you this MAXR, one stock that we were talking about for the last week or so on the swing trade. Now, you guys, I want to thank you guys for listening to me, and for the people that have been subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate what you guys are doing, putting your time and listen to me. And if you don't mind, just give it a thumbs up. Maybe for new people, maybe subscribe if you want to keep on having this type of content. Any suggestions or anything, just put in the chat box for me, please. Any comments that you might have. Thank you so much for listening, and happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day.